friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So here in this model, we are going to discuss our third question. In the figure, triangle ABC. So here, triangle ABC and ABD are two triangles on the same base AB. So let's take what is the given that triangle ABD and triangle ABC are the two triangles on the same base. So what is that base? AB. On the same base AB, if a line segment CD is bisects AB at O and show that what we have to do here is, so RTP required to prove here is, so what is that? Area of triangle ABC will be equal to area of triangle ABD. So we have to show that two triangles are congruent to each other before going to solve that. So what is that? Let's going to consider triangle BOD and triangle AOC. Then we want to, so let's going to consider let triangle AOC and triangle BOD. So BOD, AOC. So in that AO will be equal to OB, that is BO, and OC will be equal to in this. So this one will be equal to this. So whatever the given figure here is, OC will be equal to OD. Why? Because in the parallelogram, OC will be equal to OD. Then what we have to take it here is the angles. So angle AOC, so this is the angle, vertically opposite angles. So angle O and here also angle O in the two triangles. So what is that? Angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. So this is by using of what you can say SAS congruency rule. So what you can say SAS congruency rule, what you can write it here as triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOD. So this is the first one. Again, so here we are shown that these two angles are congruent to each other at the O. So in parallelogram, what is that here? So let's going to consider the angle here in this. Let's going to consider the angles AC is parallel to BD. By CPCT, what you can write it here as by CPCT. So what is that? AC is parallel to BD and AC will be equal to BD. So we are shown this triangle AC will be equal to BD and AB is the common side. Then what you can write here angle. Let's going to consider the angle here. So what is that angle? So AOC. Let's going to consider this angle and this angle. Both are alternate interior angles. So let's write. So angle in triangle AB, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC and triangle ABD. So on triangle ABD, what is that angles are equal? That is BAC, angle BAC is equal to angle ABD. ABD in the both triangles by using of alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Then what you can say here is, so we are already proved that AC is equal to BD by using of what? Triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOD. So AC is equals to BD and what you can write it here is AB is the common side in the both the triangles. So AB is common side. AB is common side. Then what you can write it here as triangle ABC. So let's write here. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. So how we are taken here is by using SAS. So this angle and this angle are equal. So let's take this angle and this angle. This is the side AB and this side. So these two sides are congruent to each other by using of by SAS congruency rule. By using SAS congruency rule. Then what you can write? These two triangles are congruent to each other if two triangles congruent to each other, then what you can write? Congruent to each other, then their areas also equal. Then their areas are also equal. So that is the case. That means area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ABD. So this is the case what we have to check it here. So hence we have proved the given statement. So we have proved that area of ABC is hence proved. Hence proved. So what is that area here is? So this ABC, this area is congruent to, so this area outside this area, what is that? So ABC. So these two areas are equal. Then again one more condition, if you want to, you can write, that is here ABCD is a parallelogram. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Then here AB and OD, AB and OD, that is, sorry, this is CD, AB and CD both are bisect each other. Bisect each other. And what is that next condition here is? So bisect each other. How it is bisecting means? So here alternate interior angles bisecting each other, that is two angles. So angle CAB will be equal to angle ABD. So in that AB is divided into, so CAB is equals to AB. So these two angles. So this angle and this angle. So in parallelogram, what you can write it here is diagonals bisecting each other. So AC is parallel to BD and AC will be equal to BD. Diagonals bisect each other in parallelogram, that is ABCD. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe.